Hey, this is Jack. I'm at Tuscany of Innisbrook. This is the freshest listing in all of Palm Harbor today. I'm excited to share with you what I love about this condominium home. Condominium. 10 minutes north of Clearwater. Number one, this is a gated community. Number two, they are pet friendly. Definitely pet friendly. And don't forget your bug spray. Number three, a covered mail pavilion. Easy access for garbage. It's an upstairs corner unit. Built-in Stairmaster. Ooh, I love an island one. I love granite counters. Look at all this space. It even has a laundry room with a window. Ooh, and a nice little curve up there too. This comes completely furnished. Nice size owner suite. A walk-in closet. And attached bath with tub. Second bedroom connects to second bath. And here's the second bath. Also has a tub. Look at all this indoor light. Solid maple cabinetry. Resort living at its finest. I got a decent little gym here. Clubhouse definitely has a wow factor. And a movie theater. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to look at this home or let me evaluate your home, give me a call or text me at the number listed below, and we'll talk to you soon.